Let me tell you something. The creator economy is booming right now. And it's honestly something that you do not want to miss out on. So many people are afraid of finally stepping into their power as a creator. And I want to talk to you about that if you are one of those people. There is no time like what is happening right now for creators. So I created this video so that you can get your head out of the sand and start taking action towards something that can completely change your life. So if you heard me speak about my billionaire mindset and the shift that I'm making in order to get on that road to $1 million for me or $1 million for me, then you know that I am so excited about supporting women along the journey of getting really confident on camera and creating video content that completely elevates them, their brand, their business, and all that comes along with it. And, in turn, their lives. And so because I want to help so many people, I created that goal that I am going to help those people. And that's so exciting for me. So that is part of me being in the creator economy, creating from my knowledge and experiences and my expertise. So you have something inside of you innately that you are ready to share. I'm creating this video specifically for those people that are really feeling that calling to create, or that calling to go through a shift in life where they change things, or the people that know they have something to offer, something bigger than they can probably fathom at the moment. This is the time for you to create. This is the time for you to spend time getting all of the information and expertise and experience that you've had inside of you for so many years and put it out there. An insecurity that we have as creators or as claiming to be coaches or consultants or experts is what people are going to say about us, or being afraid to say something wrong as we teach and share. And honestly, if no coach has said this to you or given you the permission for this, which is what I'm going to say, I am the one that is telling you today that all the coaches that you see in the online space, we are all figuring things out. We're all taking losses. We're all failing. We're all having wins through those failures and losses. And so everyone does not know everything. The beauty of the internet, however, is that you are on a journey. All of us are on a journey that we can then, say, hey guys, I've now figured XYZ out. And I don't think there should be any shame or embarrassment around that. Nobody knows everything. Nobody's perfect. And that is what gives room for you to actually expand and grow in this time in the online space. It's so funny because one of the things that I noticed is that I'm seeing so many like coaches and consultants and all of that come out of TikTok. Now, when we think about TikTok, or when I think about TikTok, TikTok really blew up during the pandemic. Lots of people experienced success on TikTok and are now multi-six-figure coaches, meaning that I like to think about this industry as we're in classes, right? So I really got serious about my online business in 2015. There are people that I know that are in my class of 2015 that are in the online space now. So when I think about class of 2020 and they're also making multiple six figures, it shows you that the people who are going to win are the people who are going to claim that they are whatever they say they are. Okay? A lot of us from that school and older of things tend to think that we have to be an expert. You never feel like an expert, right? And I'm sharing that because there are so many people that know way less than you and have been in your industry for less time than you that are making so much more than you and have changed their own lives because they decided to take action. They decided to take risks. They decided to move forward even when in doubt and they decided to create something different for themselves. So I'm not going to ramble on too much longer, but I know that you have insecurities that are stopping you from showing up in your power, in your confidence, in your knowledge, in your expertise, and monetizing all of that. And I'm asking you today to think differently, because there is no time like the present, especially with the data that we're seeing and all of the receipts that we're seeing as well. I'm not just talking because I feel like talking and because I feel like saying these things. This is actually happening now. P.S. If you're not in my Facebook group just yet, please head down below in the description box, because I talk even more about all of this stuff. All the stuff that I can't share on YouTube, I get into it in my Facebook group, and I want you inside of that group if you want to learn more about getting confident on camera, creating videos that really help you to stand out and help you actually bring your expertise and authority to the forefront so that you can become known in your industry as one of the go-to people. I want to thank you so much for just, being in my ambiance and vibe. This is a different kind of series that I'm trying on the channel. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you think and what your thoughts are. And let me know what you are looking to create in the online space as you move forward into this not budding, but booming creator economy that's happening right now.